How to use Allianz Home Insurance Finland properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Allianz Home Insurance is a popular choice in Finland, but many homeowners make mistakes that reduce protection or increase costs. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it properly. A common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction and renovation costs mean your policy may not fully cover rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Regularly review your sums insured and adjust for any home improvements or newly purchased valuable items. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. Allianz policies include personal liability coverage, but lowering limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, renovating, or acquiring new possessions changes your coverage needs. Not notifying Allianz may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also miss out on available discounts. Allianz offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Overlooking these opportunities can cost hundreds of euros annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce payouts. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Allianz Home Insurance Finland. Ensure coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively and protects both your home and peace of mind.